Good morning, all of you, respected principal sir and teacher. I am Gudiya Pal. I study in class 8th standard. I am to present a speech. If you have good virtues, then you can achieve your goals. But if you don't have good virtues, then you can't achieve your goals. यदि आपके पास अच्छे गुण हैं तो आप अपने सपने को पूरा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन यदि आपके पास अच्छे गुण नहीं है तो आप अपने सपने को पूरा नहीं कर सकते हैं. If you will write, then you will become writer. But if you will not write, then you will not become writer. So you should write. यदि आप लिखेंगे तो आप लेखक बनेंगे, लेकिन यदि आप नहीं लिखेंगे तो आप लेखक नहीं बनेंगे. इसलिए आपको लिखना चाहिए. Thanks for listening my speech.
Good morning, all of you, respected principal sir and teacher. I am Parimadesh. I read in class 8th standard. I am to present a speech on habit. You can't change your future, but you can't change your habits. Surely your habit will be change your future. आप अपनी भविष्य नहीं बदल सकते, लेकिन आप अपनी आदतें बदल सकते हैं. निश्चित ही आपकी आदतें आपका भविष्य बदल देंगी. If you will study, then you will become a good person. But if you don't study, then you will not able to become a good person. यदि आप पढ़ेंगे तो आप एक अच्छे व्यक्ति बनेंगे. यदि आप नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो आप एक अच्छे व्यक्ति नहीं बनेंगे. Thanks for listening my speech.
रिया यादव, प्रतिभा निषाद.
Good morning, all of you, respected principal sir and teacher. I am Riya Yadav. I study in class 8th standard. I am to present speech on confidence. If you have money, then you can buy anything in market. If you don't have money, then you can't buy anything in market. यदि आपके पास पैसा है तो आप बाजार में कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं. यदि आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आप बाजार में कुछ भी नहीं खरीद सकते हैं. If you have pen, then you can write anything. If you don't have pen, then you can't write anything. यदि आपके पास कलम है तो आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. यदि आपके पास कलम नहीं है तो आप कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते.
Hello everyone, thanks for giving me this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pratibha Shah. I am 13 years old. I study in class 6. I am from Anugarh. My father is farmer. My mother is housewife. There are 9 members in my family. My hobbies are speak English and play. My strength and knowledge and confidence. My favorite color pink and black. My favorite food dal bhat. My favorite teacher Sunil.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आप सबके सामने फोन गुड एंड बैड पर कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ. फोन अच्छा है या बुरा है? I think phone is bad for student because if a student has a phone, he will not read and he will operate phone all time always. So parents should not allow phone for student. If parents will allow phone for student, then the student will not able to grow in his life and he will not able to become a good student in his life and he will not able to become a good person in his life. So students should not have a phone. Suppose a student read in class 6, 7 and 8. He has a personal phone. Then he will operate phone all time and he will not read and he will not able to do anything in his life. अब मैं आपको इसकी वैल्यू बताना चाहती हूँ, फोन की वैल्यू. I think phone is a good for everyone because if you have a phone, then you can talk to your parents. But if you don't have a phone, then you can't talk to your parents. Suppose if you live in a city and your parents live in a village, then how can you talk to your parents? You will not able to talk to your parents. For talk to your parents, you need to phone.
If self-confident, then he can face any problem. But if teacher has a knowledge, then he can solve any problem. So both are too much important in his life.
Something in your life, then you will have to study. But if you don't study, then you can't become anything in your life. So you should study. अगर आप अपने जिंदगी में कुछ बनना चाहते हैं तो आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, लेकिन आप नहीं पढ़ते हैं तो आप अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं बन सकते. इसलिए आपको पढ़ना चाहिए.